Hi everyone, I am Elnor Islasco, a BSMT student from Section S3W in PMI College Bohol. OSH Padams are essential in my programs as they provide me with the knowledge and skills to ensure safety and provide accidents in the team workplace. They also help me understand the importance of environmental protections and sustainable development in the maritime industry. This course will be help me fulfill my dreams to become a successful seafarer by providing me to necessary training and successful to work in the maritime industry. I will also help me develop the skills and knowledge to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the global maritime market.